Amazon Beauty Must-Haves Part 5. This gets any color off of your makeup brushes in seconds. Here's a quick swatch so you guys know there's actually product on it, but you just have to swirl it a couple times and it completely erases all of the pigment. This storage container for your makeup sponges, it comes in the cutest colors and the quality is identical to the name brand ones, if not better. These seamless hair ties are so soft and they won't crease or break your hair. I have thick long hair and this is the only way I can stand to wear a high pony.
Amazon beauty gadgets you didn't know you needed. This is so cool. It's a portable makeup organizer that has a light up LED mirror that can be used separately or mounted onto the organizer. The mirror is rotatable and has a foldable bracket design, so the angle of the mirror can be adjusted to your convenience. Oh, and the mirror serves as a lid to the organizer, so it locks in and will remain closed even when being moved around a lot.
Let's talk about Amazon things you didn't know you needed. Beauty Remover Edition Part 4. Up first is my chair, and the thing I love most about this is that the armrest can be pulled up to make it fit perfectly under my IKEA desk, and this is essential because I have a smaller room. And then we have these eye cream applicators, and these are actually metal, so when you dip them in the eye cream and apply them, they're super cooling. I also bought this Marshmallow whip maker, and basically all you do is mix the cleanser with some water, pump it for 15 seconds, and it turns into this bubbly foam. Is it necessary? No, but is it fun? Absolutely. And lastly is this magnetic palette. It's perfect for makeup artists. It holds so many eyeshadow pans. I only put one in here because it's a long process, but all the links are in my bio, and check out my giveaway on my page as well. Did anybody else buy castor oil in hopes of growing their lashes and brows and could never find a good way to apply it? I always tried using Q-tips and it globbed the oil on so thick. I was not with it until my best friend told me about these that I got off of Amazon. It comes with some funnels, whatever these things are called, stoppers, and then the empty mascara tubes and wands. So let's try it out together. The first thing I did was put in the funnel and started funneling in the castor oil. I feel like one of those lip gloss brands that shows how they make their products, and definitely leave a little bit of room at the top so that when you put the wand in, it doesn't completely overflow. It's crucial to put the stopper on there because this is what is going to really control the amount of castor oil that's going onto your lashes. You never want too much because then it can honestly be hard to see. And again, I got these off of Amazon. I think they were around $7. The link is in my bio. Let's see if it grows my lashes.
I think I may have found my new favorite mascara. Wait until you see how long it makes your eyelashes. It's a primer and a mascara, so first I'm going to apply the primer. Now the mascara. This is just one layer. Layer number 2. I'm just gonna stop at 2 layers because it honestly doesn't even need a third. Look at the difference. It's the L'Oreal Double Extend Mascara. Thank me later.
Amazon Beauty Favorites Part 16. So you know when you wear sheet masks and they start to slip off? Well, this keeps your mask in place and it prevents it from drying out. This is a deodorant remover that I just got in and I wanted to see if it actually works, so I put it to the test with a deodorant I know is so hard to get out of clothes. I wanted to really rub it in there so it's even harder to take out. Now we're gonna go in with the sponge. You definitely have to put in some elbow grease, but it actually ended up completely removing the stain.
Oh girl, I done found this cute mini portable flat iron that comes with 3 different temperature settings. It comes with this little comb on one side that help you to straighten your hair, and the highest temperature is 392 degrees Fahrenheit. So that was my first pass, and this is my second. And honey, I have type 4 hair, so if this gets my hair straight, it'll definitely work on other types of hair. And it does work to curl your hair. It takes about 4 hours to charge, and it lasts about 40 minutes, but it's really great for on the go.
Amazon problem solver that you just might need.
You know there's more product left in the bottom, but you can't get it out. Now you can with the Spatty. Made in the USA and as seen on Shark Tank, the Spatty's unique spatula end and length allows you to get to the bottom of the bottle and get more product out and save money. Great for makeup, lotions, condiments, and much more. Tell us where this might help you, and did you see it?
Things you need off of Amazon, Beauty Room Edition. So I've been wanting one of these for a while because this is where I've been keeping all of my everyday makeup and brushes for the past couple of years, and I have just outgrown it. I'd been eyeing this 3-tiered cart for a while, and I finally bit the bullet, and I'm so happy. Let's go on a little tour. First off, this top area with its little sectioned cubbies are absolutely perfect for each stage of your makeup. As you can see, I've got my setting sprays, my primers, my blushes, my highlighters. So awesome and organized. It even came with these 3 hanging baskets for your brushes and a few of these handy hooks to hang headbands, mirrors, whatever you want. The second tier, I put in some of my own organizers to organize some pigments, my favorite palettes, etc. And the bottom rack is where I'm keeping all of my extra brushes. It's just $40 on Amazon, link in my bio.
I just received this 3-in-1 slimming and beautifying machine from Amazon. Pardon me, I look crazy, but this is how I wake up. What I'm doing is an upward motion just to make sure that my skin is tightening up. And how I use it, I press the power button, the infrared button, and the sonic button. So on the left side, I did not even touch my face yet, and on the right side, you can see some sort of difference. That's where I use the machine.
A lot of you guys thought that this is rolling paper, but it's actually soap paper. So you pull it out, and then you cut it in water, and it literally turns into a soap.
The one thing on Amazon I can't live without, this portable phone charger. So it has a USB plug-in you can use to charge whatever you want, a mirror that also lights up, and it's a wireless charger. You just lay your phone on top.
Amazon beauty gadgets you need. These hearts actually become facial sponges when you put them in water. They're great to use when you're deep cleansing or exfoliating your skin. This magnetic wristband is a lifesaver if you use a lot of bobby pins. The bobby pins stick to the magnet, making them easy to grab when you're doing your hair. These little gold spatulas for scooping out and applying skincare products. And lastly, these jumbo hair clips.
Amazon finds that just makes sense. These hair oil capsules smell amazing and make my hair really soft. The set of 4 clear makeup bags are so convenient to travel with. These mint lip masks are so cute and extra, but they are nice. And I love this pink vintage mirror tray.
Hi, Amazon Beauty Favorites Part 13. I never knew washing my hands could be so much fun. The soap dispenses the perfect flower and guests always love it. This rosé spray bottle was out of stock for the longest time, but it's now back in stock and it looks super cute on your vanity. This is my most loved lip scrub. It leaves your lips so incredibly soft with the perfect pout.
Gadgets you need. If you use a curling iron or straightener, you need this tool in your life. When you open it up, it becomes a place for you to rest your hot tool as you're using it. But the best part is when you're done using your hair tool, you can actually fold it up and it becomes a stand where you can rest it while it's cooling. And it even has these clips so you can wrap the cord around.
Amazon Beauty Must-Haves Part 12. These UV protection gloves, they protect your skin from getting dry and tingly from that UV light. These are dissolvable makeup brush cleansing sheets. They're activated by water and they're perfect for on the go, but honestly I use them at home because they clean so good. This is a glass nail filer and I never thought I'd be so obsessed with a dang nail filer, but this thing creates the smoothest finish and you literally only need one to juice one.
On the go gadgets from Amazon you didn't know you needed.
Okay y'all, this stays in my purse at all times. It's a portable and mini brow and facial hair remover. It's discreet, small, and portable so you can use it anytime, anywhere. You just turn on the device and run it back and forth like you would an eraser. It's completely pain-free with no tugging and has a built-in LED light for extra visibility. The tool comes with a AAA battery and a brush to clean out any buildup that's inside the trimmer, and it's something that I keep in my purse at all times for emergency on-the-go cleanups.
Another cool Amazon story. So a few weeks ago I ordered a product and like a week ago I was checking back on shipping and the picture was gone and it said the product was no longer available. So I emailed the shipper just kind of asking where it was at and they responded back saying they were just going to go ahead and refund it, and I thought that kind of sucks because I wanted it but I just didn't reply back. Well, this showed up today and this was the product, so they sent it even though they refunded it, so I got this for free.
this is the detail. Many of you may remember the video where I unboxed this beautiful and super cute strawberry beauty blender. And today, finally, we're gonna be putting it to the test. First, as always, let's give it a good squeeze.
Okay, but it actually expanded quite a lot and it feels soft.
Foundation, we're gonna be using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh foundation. I'm so sad to dirty it right now, but it's fine. Okay, so far it's actually working very well. It's doing a very good job. Now let's move on to the concealer. And this tip makes it super easy to blend out around your eyes. Next, we're gonna be setting my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Powder. Oops. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face and I'll be back to tell you my final thoughts. I mean, honestly, my base looks flawless. I give this a 10.
So here is a random product that I found on Amazon. It's actually pretty amazing. This little device dispenses out cold mist and it's so super refreshing. This device is a must-have in your skincare.